This is a shot tower. It is in Melbourne city centre. It used to produce millions of shotgun shots in an hour. The way it worked was they melted down lead at the top of the tower and they poured that lead into a basin. The basin was perforated, and the perforations were 2/3 of the size of the final shots. Then those perforations broke down the lead into streams, and as that stream started to fall down from the top to the bottom through a shaft, they broke into droplets that formed into a spherical shape and started to cool down. And the bottom there was a water bath where they fell into, and they got cooled fully. They shoveled them together and they put them onto an inclined stepped table where they started to go down. The damaged ones fell through a gap, and the not perfectly spherical shaped ones rolled onto the side of the table and fell down. These got remelted again, but the perfect ones then they were put into a barrel that was rotating for an hour, hour and a half, and that's the way they polished them. The polished ones then get packed into 13 kilo bags and got shipped through the country. This shot shows that now the shot tower that was once the tallest building in Melbourne is now just inside the shopping mall. This animation is from the museum. It shows how they poured the molten lead into the basin, and from there the little droplets were falling down the shaft. The shaft is just a long steel pipe leading down to the water bath through the whole tower where they get cooled.